Hello everyone, this is the Tech Rancher. This is homework assignment lesson number 4. This is done by Paul McWhorter. As you can see here, it's the Raspberry Pi W lesson number 4, creating the binary count using the Pico W. Well, at the end of this video, he actually describes that it's time for another lesson to be done, and the lesson was to light up 5 LEDs into a light pattern that you choose from. So let's go here and see how I kind of got this idea. If you look here, I thought about making an LED lights flicker to the rhythm of a heartbeat. Now I started here on the right. It's the LED numbers, right and left, both of that, but then you start from the right is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And down here I put on, off, on, off, on. So everything that had spiked upwards would be an on, and everything that went down would be an off for the LED status. And then I wrote over here for the LED value is what we're going to be doing for 1 for on and 0 for off. And these are the LED numbers. It's on my developer board, or actually no, on my breadboard, sorry. Now if we go over here, and I did a schematic system on it, if I can pull up the schematics real quick, you can see that let's zoom in here. I have a Raspberry Pi Pico, had microprocessor pressed in here, has all the pins laid out. I show that I have 3.3 volts coming in, and then I decide to lay out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 all in a line. Then I'm running off of 330 ohm resistors, and then I labeled my pins that my wire came through. Now if we go back in here and take a look at the code that I did for this, let me scroll up to the top. I did a little small description of this is for the homework assignment for lesson number 4. Then I described what I did, and then I described also that I have a delay in between each heartbeat. The one or the ups and downs is 120 milliseconds. Then once that beat is done, there's 125 milliseconds in between. I called in the importing of my machine, the pins, the library for time, and using sleep function. I declared all my variables, and then also included the variables for the delay that I'd be using to sleep, and made functions for all of them. I have an 8 function system that loops through. Coming down here to the program loop, use a while true, ran the functions, had a beat the delay ran in between it. After we have the total of 4 beats, or 4 cycles that come through to represent 1 beat, we have a rest delay. Just like a normal heartbeat has a delay and a resting before it pumps. And then we come back in here and do the other ones. Now let's run this real quick. Now that we have this ran, we're going to switch to camera view to be able to watch it. And here we go. The camera view is not showing it. It is actually so slow, it is not showing it to being displayed. I have such a delay. Oh, there you go. There was a delay. There still is a delay if you actually look at it. There is quite a bit of a delay. The heartbeat actually moves at a faster rate. Can you imagine 120 milliseconds of the ups and downs? I had decided to put them into a little different way of displaying it, because I wanted to try to represent the lights that had flashed up high to be like the high peak of a heartbeat, and then the ones angled down low would be the ones for at the low peak of a heartbeat. We can kind of get in here, you can kind of see what I'm talking about here. I really do apologize for this quality of I guess my cell phone does not have a good video recording Well, there you go. There's the completion of the homework assignment. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment if you have any questions. Till then, we'll see you next time.